So, you want to learn Korean, but you're starting at all those squiggly letters like, do I need a PhD to read this? Don't worry. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate beginning roadmap that'll take you from what is Hangeul to I just texted my Korean friend in Korean. 안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome to the Ultimate Beginner Roadmap seminar. I'm going to give you an explanation about this way, how to learn this language, and at the end of this seminar, you can ask your questions, okay? Ready? Let's go! Step 1. Build your base. Learn Hangeul, the Korean alphabets. I know it looks scary, but trust me, it's one of the easiest writing systems in the world. It was literally designed to be simple. Like King Sejong said, even a commoner should learn it in the morning. And guess what? You can too. Use apps like Write It Korean or websites like howtostudykorean.com for step-by-step lessons. Don't skip this part. Reading Hangeul unlocks everything. Step 2. Build basic vocabulary plus phrases. Stuff like hello, 안녕하세요, thank you, 감사합니다, and I like kimchi. 김치 좋아해요. Flashcards are your best friends here. I recommend Anki or Quizlet. And don't go crazy with thousands of words. Just learn the stuff you'd actually use in a conversation. Let's go to step 3. Step 3 is basic grammar plus sentence structure. Alright, now let's talk grammar. Don't worry, I won't throw textbooks at you. Korean grammar is different from English, but it's super logical once you get the hang of it. Start with the basics. Subject plus object plus verb. Like, I eat rice. 저는 밥을 먹어요. Use YouTube channels, grammar books, or even TikTok explanations. Just stay consistent. And yes, it's totally okay to make mistakes. Step 4. Listening plus speaking practice. Now that you know a bit of grammar, it's time to train your ears and mouth. Watch your favorite K-dramas and turn on Korean subtitles. Listen to K-pop and try to catch words you know. Practice shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say, word for word. Or even talk to yourself in Korean. Seriously, I do that all the time. And the last step is real practice plus consistency. Once you have the basics, it's all about real life practice and sticking with it. Start journaling in Korean, even if it's just 오늘 피자 먹었어요. I ate pizza today. Try language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. And don't forget, progress is slow, but it adds up. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Keep it fun. And hey, don't turn this into boring schoolwork. Make it fun. Learn through your favorite dramas, write fan comments in Korean, pretend you're texting your K-pop bias. Language should feel like a game, not a chore, okay? Okay guys, if you have any question, I'm here to guide you and answer to your questions. Okay, let's start. Okay Jack, ask your question please.
I'm a total beginner. I don't even know the Korean alphabet. Where do I start?
That's totally okay. Start with Hangeul. As I said, the Korean alphabet. It's actually super easy. You can learn it in a day or two. Then move on to pronunciation and useful everyday phrases, okay? So, Hangeul, pronunciation, and then basic phrases. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it all.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next, yes, Charlize.
Should I learn vocabulary first or grammar?
Okay, start with real-life vocab and phrases you can actually use. Grammar can wait a bit. First, you need to say something and understand stuff. So, words first, grammar later, okay? No stress, I've got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions? Yes, Hannah?
Can I just learn Korean by watching K-dramas?
I wish, but no. Dramas help with listening and pronunciation, but you still need to learn basics separately, okay? So use dramas as a fun sidekick, not the main teacher. Okay, got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Next question. Okay, Anna?
How long does it take to speak simple Korean?
If you study just 20 minutes a day, you can start speaking simple sentences in 1 or 2 months. Consistency leads to perfection.
And I have another question.
Sure,
I have no one to practice speaking with.
totally get it. But guess what? As I told you, there are apps like Tandem or HelloTalk where you can chat with real Korean speakers or just talk to yourself out loud. Seriously, it helps so much.
Oh, really?
Sure.
Can I ask another question?
Yes, Charlize, why not?
Should I buy a textbook or just learn from videos and apps?
If you're a beginner, videos and apps are way more fun and easier to stick with. Books are great later on for grammar and review. So start light, start fun, then level up as you go. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any other questions? Okay guys, so that's your roadmap. If you follow these steps, you'll go from what is oppa to writing your own K-drama dialogues. Okay? Let me know in the comments, what's your current level? Are you a total beginner? Or have you already learned Hangeul? Okay guys, I'm NimBee and this is your channel, Learn Korean with NimBee. If you like this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Fighting guys! And thank you guys, Hannah, Jack, Anna and Charlize for coming to this seminar. I hope you enjoyed.